I think it's really important that they involve their children in these decisions. Some children are very happy eating that nut butter and jelly and maybe carrots every single day, and that's okay. You know, it is nice to have variety, but we also want the child to walk into school feeling confident that they're comfortable with something familiar like a lunch, you know, from home that their mom or dad made, or maybe that they helped with. It's also okay to set some guidelines for your kids. It's not all snacks. We're gonna have a protein food, we're gonna have a fruit, we're gonna have a veggie, but let them be a little non-traditional and let them have a little say in it too, and I think it would make it a lot more fun and they're more likely to eat it. And if you send your child with something cold for lunch, is it gonna stay cold in their lunch pack? So for example, if you're giving them something like turkey or a sandwich with mayonnaise, you want to be able to put in a little freezer pack in there. I think it's really important to kind of check in with Joey or Susie or Johnny and look in their lunchbox at the end of the day. And if it's empty, find out, did they enjoy it? Was it enough? Are they giving it away? Are they trading it? So you don't want food to be too sticky, right? Stinky, don't put, you know, smelly cheese. Nobody wants to have the smelly lunch, right? And too sugary, because if you just put a lot of sweets in it, they may be attracted for quick energy and skip maybe more of the protein and the vegetable stuff. So I think having that balance is a really nice way to go. There's a lot of concern about how much time kids get for lunch, and it's getting shorter and shorter. So I think the odds are better that a child is going to eat a more balanced meal if they bring it themselves and they can get to the table a little bit quicker. A lot of schools are cooking foods from scratch, and they're really looking to the different ethnicities of their kids and trying to cater. So there are some good options, and you know, I think that's a very valid option for busy families to say, hey, maybe a couple days a week, let's pick out some meals that you can have.